In this lecture, I will discuss permutation and combination. These are the very common counting techniques and useful to various type of problems. For example, permutations is used for arrangements. For example, how we can arrange different types of balls, or how we can arrange the numbers. These are the here we use permutation. And combination means selections, how we can select a set of persons to form a group, or how we can select a number of cards from a deck of 52 cards using some constraints, etc. At first, permutations. A permutation of a set of distinct objects is an ordered arrangement of these objects. An ordered arrangement of R elements of a set is called R permutation. For example, let us take a set S is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the arrangement 3, 1, 2 is a permutation of S. 3, 2 is 2 permutation of S. Since here we use only 2 elements from a set of 3 elements. If we take all the elements, then it is a set, then the permutation of set S. And if we take a particular number of elements from a set, we can use a number. For example, here we use 2 permutation. The number of R permutation of a set with n distinct element is denoted by PNR. This is the representation of permutation. That is, if there is total number of n elements, and we have to arrange R element taken from the n element, then it is represented as Pn, R. How we use a permutation formula? How can we prove a permutation formula? Let there are A1, A2, A3, An elements. There are n elements which are arranged in R boxes. There are n ways to choose the first element, n minus 1 ways to choose the second, n minus 2 ways to choose the third, and so on. And lastly, n minus R minus 1 ways to choose the rth element. In this way, there are R boxes. So we arrange the first box is n, second n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 4, here n minus R minus 1. So by the product rule, we get PNR, that is n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus R plus 1. Multiplying numerator and denominator by n minus R to 1, we get factorial n divided by factorial n minus R. There is an example. Here is an example. From a set of 8 digits, how many numbers are formed when repetition is not allowed? By using the formula, we can get the number is P8, 3, that is 330, 336. In this way, how many ways are there to pick 11 players from a group of 15? The order of picking is given an importance. For example, first player, if we select 11 pairs, then there is no constants of order. If we impose an order, for example, the first player, when we choose a first player, he is ranked as first, second player as second, third player as third, in this way. So when we give an order of picking, then it is a permutation. If order is not an important thing, then it is a combination. Now the circular seating problem, it is also a permutation problem. Here is a question: how many ways are there to sit four people A, B, C, D around a circular table, where sitting are considered to be the same if they can be obtained from each other by rotating the table. In the last slide we consider the linear arrangement. Here it is circular arrangement. In linear arrangement there is a beginning and end, but in circular arrangement there is no beginning and end. So this is different from linear arrangement. Hence we will explain how it is different from linear arrangement. 4 persons A, B, C, D can be arranged themselves in factorial 4 ways when we take 4 at a time, all at a time, if they are arranged in a row. As in a linear permutation, that is in a row arrangement, this is a start and there is an end. There is a start and there is an end. For example, A, B, C, D, D, A, B, C, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, A are different. When we arrange in a circular table, these all 3 permutations, all 4 permutations are same. But in circular permutation there is nothing like a start and end. Hence, the above 4 arrangement will be equivalent to 1. For example, A, B, C, D, D, A, B, C, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, A are different when we arrange in a linear way, but when we use a circular arrangement, these 4 are same. For example, take the example of first circle. This is 1 A, B, C, D. When we count A, B, C, D, and D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, and B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A. This circle is corresponding to 4 different arrangements of linear arrangement. 4 different linear arrangement is equivalent to first arrangement. In this way, other circles are also corresponds to 4 different arrangements. Hence, 4 linear arrangement is equal to 1 circular arrangement. Hence, n linear arrangement equivalent to 1 circular arrangement. Hence, factorial n linear arrangement is factorial n divided by n, that is factorial n minus 1 circular arrangement. Distinguishable permutations from a set of repeated elements. For example, there is 4 balls of different colors. This is first ball is maroon color, blue color, yellow color, and green color. So their arrangement. But if we take same color of balls, for example 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are the same color. If we take different colors, their arrangement will be different. If we take 4 different balls of different colors, if we arrange them in linear way, it has factorial 4 arrangement. But if we have 4 balls but the colors are not different, then their arrangement will also be different. Since 1, 2, 3, 4, this is one arrangement, and 2, 1, 4, 3, it is another arrangement, but both the arrangement is same. Hence the number of distinguishable permutations that can be formed from a collection of n objects, where the first objects where the first objects appear k1 times, the second row objects k2 times, and so on, is factorial n divided by k1 factorial, k2 factorial, kt factorial, where k1 plus k2 plus kt dot dot kt is equal to n. And an example of the distinguishable objects arrangement: how many distinguishable words can be formed? The letters G, E, F, F. There is 2 letters are in repetitions. Here is value of n is 1, kj is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, but kf is equal to 2. So the number of arrangement is 12. We can also find using manually by counting all the arrangement. Here is total number of 12 arrangement in the list. Similarly, the word Mississippi can be arranged in 34,650. Why? There is total number of letters is 11. Mississippi, M is repeated 1 times, I is repeated 4 times, S is repeated 4 times, and P is repeated 2 times. Hence, using the formula, we get the number of ways that can be arranged, that can distinguishable arranged of Mississippi word is 34,650. There is an important applications of the solution of equations, integer solution of an equation. For example, let us take an example. X plus y is equal to 5. How many integers, distinct non-negative integer solution are possible for this equations? Here is x and here is y. So integer solutions means 5, 0, both are integer, 4, 1, that is when x equal to 5, y is equal to 0, when x equal to 4, y is equal to 1, similarly when x equal to 3, y is equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y is equal to 3, when x equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and when x equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Now there is a 5, 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 5. Now we create a binary sequence of this number. For example, with 5 can be written as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and lastly it is 0. Similarly, 0 means that it is we can use 0 as a divisors. Divisors means distinctions between the integers and zeros. Here 5 is 5, binary value of 5 is 1, 1, 1, 1, and rest is 0. Similarly, 4 can be written as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then again 1. So place and 0 to distinguish the solutions. 0 is used to distinguish the solution entries, the value of x and value of y. Similarly, 3, 2. 3 means 1, 1, 1, and there is a distinction. We use 0, and rest is 2, 1, and 1. Similarly, 2, 3 can be written as 1, 1. There is a distinction between to distinguish the both integers using 0. We can here 1, 1, then 0, then 1, 1, 1, and so on. So the total number of elements here is 6, and there is 2 kinds of elements, that is 1 or 0. So using the distinguishable permutation arrangement, here total number of elements is 6, and the elements which is repeated, that is, let us take the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. In all the rows, 1 is repeated 5 times and 0 is repeated only 1 times. So using the formula, we get this is the number of arrangement. The total number of arrangement is 6 and factorial 5. Why factorial 5? Since 1 is repeated 5 times and here is 1. Why 1? Since 0 is repeated only 1 times. And the total number of arrangement is factorial 6 divided by factorial 5 into factorial 1 and result is 6. The last principle can be utilized to count the number of integers, possible distinct integer values. If we take 4 variables, for example, there is 4 variable x, y, z and w. It should be equal to 10. How many possible solutions is there? Now here the number of ones will be 10 and number of 0 will be 3. Since we have to distinct between the different entries of the solutions. For example, x equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 4 and w is equal to 0. This is the solution of the integer solutions of the equations. Hence for x equal to 2, that is 1 1. If we have to distinguish between x and y, we have to place the 0 and then y is equal to 4, that means 1 1 1 1 and then again place a 0 and next is z is equal to 4, that is 1 1 1 1 and then again place a 0. The total number of elements is 13 and 1 is repeated 10 times and 0 is repeated 3 times. So if we use the formula, then 13 factorial 13 divided by factorial 10 into factorial 3, that is 286. This is the solution, number of possible integers, non-negative integer solutions of the equation. Now let's start on combination. An R combination of an element of a set is an unordered selections of R elements from the set. Thus, an R combination is simply a subset of set with R elements. For example, let us take S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 3, 4 is a 3 combination from set S. Since in set the order is not important, so we used here combinations. So if we take 3 combinations, how we can select 3 elements set from a set of 4 elements? We can use a combinations. The number of R combination of a set of n distinct elements is denoted by Cn, comma R. This is the representation of combination. For example, C42 is equal to 6. Since, for example, 2 combinations of the set 1, 2, 3, 4 are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. This is the combination. Thus 1, 2 or 2, 1 both are same. 1, 3 and 3, 1 is same. In this way, we get 2 combinations of set 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we calculate CNR? CNR means taking R elements from N. We have to select R element from a total of N element. We have to go back to permutations. Consider that we can obtain R permutation of a set in the following way. First, we form all R combination of the set. There are CNR of such R combinations. Then we generate all possible orderings in each of this R combination. For if we take two combination from a set of 4, then there will be 1, 2. In the last example, we have 1, 2 and if we take permutation, then it is 1 2 and 2 1. So there are P R such orderings in this case. P R means a total there are total of R elements. We have take R elements from R elements. So P R such orderings in each case. Therefore we have PNR, that is we have to arrange R element taking all n elements, and we have to take R element from n element. This is equal to CNR, that is combination of R element taking n element at a time, and that is PRR. We have to multiply it. If we multiply both, then we get PNR. So CNR is equal to PNR divided by PRR. That is PNR means, if we simplify this, we get factorial n divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. Now we can answer our initial question. How many ways are there to pick a set of 3 people from a group of 6, disregarding of order of picking? It is 6 3, it is 20. How we can calculate? Using the formula, it is factorial 6 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 3, that is ultimately it is 20. That is 20 different ways, that is 20 different groups to be picked. A soccer club, 8 female and 7 male members. For today's match, the coach wants to have 6 female and 5 male players on the grass. How many possible configurations are there? Here we use product rule, that is we have to select 6 female from 8 female and 5 male from 7 male. Ultimately it is a product rule, it is 28 into 21, that is 588. Thank you.